back to the cafe. I just want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that has subscribed so far. I really appreciate your support. Now, last week I showed you how to do a sweet pastry tart shell. And this week I'm showing you how to fill it with our white chocolate and raspberry tart filling. So, let's begin. With this recipe, it's really straightforward and simple. There's only a few ingredients I'm using, so I've got some double cream in here, and I've got some white chocolate chips. This is basically a type of ganache. I'll be explaining ganache in another video where I'll be showing you the best ways to utilise it for different items such as a chocolate drip or to whip it up and then pipe it on top of a cake. But for this, we're using it as a tart. So I'm just going to add these into here. Now I'm doing this in the microwave. You can do this on the hob using a saucepan. Just put the cream into the saucepan, bring it up to the boil. As soon as it's to boiling point, take it off and just add in the white chocolate chips and stir it until it's melted. I prefer doing it in the microwave, just giving it about 20 to 30 seconds, then give it a stir until it's all melted, which is what I'll be doing now. Now this mix is all melted, I'll be dividing it between 6 tart shells, and it'll be leaving just a small gap, and that'll be for the raspberry topping. Now these are all filled, they need to go into the fridge for at least 2 hours for them just to set, and then we'll crack on with the topping. Now the tarts are in the fridge setting, I'm going to soak 1.5 gelatine leaves in some cold water until they go really soft. In this pan I've got some raspberry puree. To make this, simply blitz up some raspberries, pass it through a fine sieve, and then just add a little bit of sugar for a bit of sweetness. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to heat this up, and then once it's almost to a simmering point, I'll be adding some gelatine. Now this is brought up to a simmer, I'm going to add in the gelatine leaves, and it's really important you squeeze out all that extra liquid. As you can see, it's gone really soft. I'm just going to add that straight in, and that'll just dissolve into the mix, kind of like basically jelly. This mix is ready to then top off the tarts. Now these are topped off, I'm just going to pop it back in the fridge for another hour, and then I'll finish it off with some white chocolate. Now my tarts are all set. I've got some white chocolate that I've just melted down and is in my piping bag, and I'm just going to finish them off by drizzling just one side of the tart. So there you have it, our white chocolate and raspberry tarts. Really colourful, shiny, absolutely delicious. A perfect treat. And if I'm being honest, I think I've earned one. So until next time, I'll see you then.